Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Why you find so many different personalities? If it is a combination of bile, mucus and air, why they are not similar? So, they do not cultivate this knowledge. Why there are dissimilarities? One man is born millionaire. Another man is born, he cannot even have full meals twice a day, although he is struggling very hard. Why this discrimination? Why one is put into such favorable condition, why the other is not? So there is law of karma, the individuality. So this is knowledge. Therefore, in the Ishopanishad says that anyat evahut vidyaya, anyat ahut avidyaya. Those who are in ignorance, they are cultivating a different type of advancement of knowledge. And those who are actually in knowledge, they are cultivating in a different way. Ordinary people, they do not like our activities, Krishna consciousness. They are surprised. Gargamani was telling me yesterday evening that people ask, oh, why do you get so much money? You are purchasing so many cars and big church properties and maintaining 50, 60 men daily and enjoying. What is this? So they are surprised. We are surprised why these rascals are working so hard simply for filling the belly. So Bhagavad Gita says, Janisa sarvabhutanam tasmin jagrati sangyam. We are seeing that these people are sleeping. And they are saying, we are wasting our time. This is opposite view. Why? Because their line of action is different, our line of action is different. Now, it is to be decided by an intelligent man whose actions are actually right. These things are very nicely discussed in Vedic literature. There is another, just like this is Ishopanishad. Similarly, there is another Upanishad, Garga Upanishad. That is the talk between husband and wife, very learned. The husband is teaching the wife, Etat vidityaja priyati saeva brahmana gargi. Etat avidityaja priyati saeva kripana. This real culture of knowledge, one who everyone takes birth and everyone will die. There is no difference of opinion about it. We shall die and they shall die. They can say that you are thinking of birth, death, old age and disease. So, do you mean to say that because you are cultivating Krishna consciousness, knowledge, you will be free from these four principles of nature, onslaught? No, that is not the fact. The fact is, the Garga Upanishad says, Etat vidityaja prayat. One who quits this body after knowing what he is. Saeva Brahman, that he is Brahman. Brahmins, we are offering you the sacred thread. Why? Just you try to understand what is the mystery of life. That is Brahman. Vijanata, we have read in this verse, Vijanata. One who quits this body after knowing things as they are, he is Brahman.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.